Choosing the right drone can feel confusing, especially when every option claims to be the best. Some promise long flight time, while others focus on camera quality or ease of use. But which one truly delivers in real life? We have reviewed the top picks, so you do not have to guess. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. 5. Ameta drones with camera for adults 4K UHD. The Amita S20 Lite is a simple and budget-friendly drone that works well for beginners. It is light and easy to carry, which makes it a good choice for travel or quick outdoor fun. The folding design helps you pack it without stress. The camera does a decent job for casual use. You can capture clear images and smooth video during daylight. It is not perfect in low light, but for the price, it performs well. The controls feel smooth, and the drone responds quickly to commands. I like that it comes with 2 batteries. This gives you more flight time without needing to recharge often. For users in the United States, this is useful during weekend trips or park visits. There are a few small downsides. Wind resistance is not very strong, so it works best in calm weather. Still, for new users, it is a fun and easy way to get started. 4K UHD camera, foldable design, long flight time. 4. Holy Stone HS175D GPS drone. The Holy Stone HS175D is a step up for users who want more control and stability. It includes GPS support, which makes flying safer and easier. The return home feature adds peace of mind, especially for beginners. The camera captures sharp and wide shots. It works well for travel clips and family moments. You can adjust the angle, which helps you get better views without moving the drone too much. Flight time is one of its strong points. You get a longer experience compared to many drones in this range. That makes it a good option for outdoor use in places like parks or open fields in the United States. It is still beginner-friendly, but there may be a small learning curve at first. Once you get used to it, the experience becomes smooth and enjoyable. GPS auto return, wide-angle camera, long flight time. 3. GPS drone with EIS camera and screen controller. This drone stands out because of its built-in screen on the controller. You do not need to rely fully on your phone, which makes flying easier. The display shows real-time footage clearly. The stability is good, thanks to GPS support. It holds position well and feels steady in the air. This is helpful when you are trying to capture smooth video. I found the tracking features useful. It can follow movement and create simple cinematic shots. For beginners, this adds a fun creative touch without much effort. However, the camera quality is not as strong as higher-end models. It works fine for casual use, but may not satisfy users looking for professional results. Built-in display, GPS stability, auto tracking. 2. Adire drone with camera for adults 4K. The Adire drone is a great balance between price and smart features. It includes advanced GPS functions that make flying simple and safe. The return home feature is very reliable, which helps prevent loss. It offers good flight time, which is ideal for longer sessions. This is useful if you enjoy exploring open areas or capturing more footage in one go. Many users in the United States prefer this kind of extended use. The camera performs well for its category. You can capture clear shots and smooth video. It may not match premium drones, but it still delivers good results. One thing to note is that it may take some time to learn all the features. Once you do, it becomes a very enjoyable drone. GPS smart features, long flight time, foldable design. 1. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo Best Pick. The DJI Avata 2 is the top choice for a reason. It offers a unique flying experience that feels immersive and exciting. With the included goggles, you see everything from the drone's point of view. This makes flying feel more real and engaging. Control is smooth and natural. You do not need complex inputs, which makes it easier even for new users. At the same time, it has enough power and precision for advanced users. The video quality is excellent. You get stable and clear footage, even during fast movement. This makes it perfect for action shots and creative filming. It also includes multiple batteries, which means longer flying sessions. For users in the United States, this is great for travel, outdoor adventures, or content creation. The price is higher, but the experience justifies it. If you want the best mix of performance and innovation, this is the one to pick. Immersive FPV experience, advanced stabilization, extended flight setup. Final verdict. If you want the best overall drone, the DJI Avata 2 stands out as the top pick. It delivers strong performance, smooth control, and an immersive flying experience that few others can match. For most users, it offers the best value at the high end. If you need a more budget-friendly option with smart features, the Adire drone is a great second choice. It balances price, performance, and ease of use very well. No matter your choice, each option offers something unique. Be sure to check the description links for the latest prices and full details before making your final decision.